Ladies and gentlemen, in a few weeks our online seminar on basics of bearing technology will begin, and I would like to take this chance for giving you some brief introduction about the contents and the topics that will be discussed. The audience that we are focused on consists of designers of machinery, everyone who has to decide on which kind of bearing has to be installed in which application, and apart from that, people who are working in trading of bearings, people working in supplier quality control, people working in purchasing of bearings, and people working in sales of bearings. And apart from that, certainly this basic seminar makes sense for everyone who is interested in our further seminars. We will talk about a lot of different topics. We will begin with describing the different kinds of bearings, like tapered roller bearings in this example. We will talk about deep groove ball bearings, angular contact ball bearings, self-aligning bearings, cylindrical roller bearings, etc. and many more. And in this context, we will pay some attention to gauges of bearings, which to my opinion are frequently underestimated, and this underestimation of the importance of particular gauge properties can actually sometimes lead to unexpected failures, and it is accordingly highly important to pay sufficient attention. We will talk about tolerances of bearings. We will explain how to read such tables and how to decide which tolerance class would be relevant and required for your application. We will then talk about bearing arrangements, like locating, non-locating bearing arrangements, floating bearing arrangement, adjusted bearing arrangements, etc. And in this context, we obviously have to discuss about the particular advantages and disadvantages of these contexts. Then we will go further with bearing life calculation, beginning with some easy methods, simple methods for bearing life calculation, but also showing some more accurate, sophisticated methods, like in this case using some 3D simulation software that can even consider local pressure distribution in the particular contacts, and this will directly bring the link to the profiles of raceways, the crowning, etc., and which are also highly important for bearing performance. Important certainly is as well the material quality, and obviously we will have to give you some introduction on how to assess bearing steels, what is important, what distinguishes good bearing steel from other materials that you can find in mechanical engineering. And this seminar will close with a chapter on preventive maintenance, which is dedicated to keeping your equipment in good condition for ensuring the reliability, etc. On the whole, we have 4 sessions. Each will last about 90 minutes, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. It's really worth it. Thank you very much.